Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, ride, I am riding my bicycle. Second line, play, the children are playing outside. Third line, arrive, the bus arrived at 3:30 p.m. Fourth line, earn, we earn money daily. Fifth line, cook, they cook the food daily. Sixth line, clean, Sheila does not clean her room. Seventh line, return, Rahul does not return home. Eighth line, complete, the task is almost complete. Ninth line, eat, they have eaten some fruits. 10th line, bird, the birds fly in the sky. Thanks for watching.